Generation Z, Gen T, J. Let's go.
Today, I married a Hmong girl. My head is constantly spinning, my knees torn and aching. Relatives waiting, representing. Kowtow, probably 1,000,000. Shots taken, probably 1,000,000,000. She looks great in traditional clothes. Makeup and hair beautifully glowed. Her eyes puffy from laughing and crying. Everyone surrounding her, hugging, tugging. And we did it all over again. On my family side, all in on this ride. Together let's ride the sky. I married a Hmong girl. She was worth every kowtow, worth every lecture. I'll let you know how I felt tomorrow. I married a Hmong girl, and her entire family would have paid 1,000,000. They don't know I tell them my beautiful Hmong girl. I married a Hmong girl. Yesterday, I married a Hmong girl. Today, it's a whole new world. Carpets flying everywhere, or maybe that's the atmosphere. Marrying a Hmong girl. Where do we put all these gifts? 1,000,000 strings on my wrist, 1,000,000,000 things on my list. Nothing more I could wish for. All I need is her, knowing she'll always be right there. My beautiful Hmong girl. I married a Hmong girl. She was worth every kowtow, worth every lecture. I'll let you know how I felt tomorrow. I married a Hmong girl, and her entire family would have paid 1,000,000, would have paid 1,000,000. She's worth more than heaven. My beautiful Hmong girl. I married a Hmong girl. Kippering the chicken, swishing around our heads. Relatives welcoming my beautiful Hmong girl. I married a Hmong girl. She was worth every kowtow, worth every lecture. I'll let you know how I felt tomorrow. I married a Hmong girl, and her entire family would have paid 1,000,000. She's worth more than heaven. My beautiful